Good morning, class 12. Welcome back to our online class. As you know, we are in the last topic of this chapter, probability. Though we do not have this chapter in term 1, but since we are at the verge of completion of this chapter, we'll complete it and then we'll move on to our regular term 1 syllabus. Okay. So here we have a question. 4 bad oranges are accidentally mixed with 16 good ones. Now there are 4 bad oranges. They got mixed up accidentally with 16 good oranges. Now you have total 20 oranges. 2 oranges are randomly drawn from this lot. This lot of 20 oranges, we have drawn 2 oranges. So find the mean variance and standard deviation of number of bad oranges out of these two. So if x is a random variable that represents number of bad oranges, then the values of x will be 0, 1 and 2. You will have 0 bad orange, means both are good. 1 bad orange, so 1 is bad, 1 is good. And 2 bad oranges, no good one, both are bad oranges, right? So how to find the probability distribution? Probability of x. So we will use combination here. तो ये probability कैसे आएगी? 0 bad oranges, both are good. तो 16C2 upon total number of oranges are 20. So sample space will be 20C2. NCR, I hope you remember NCR combination. N factorial upon R factorial into N minus R factorial. Grade 11 permutations and combinations. So 16C2, 16 factorial upon 2 factorial into 16 minus 2, 14 factorial, right? Upon 20 factorial upon 2 factorial into 20 minus 2, 18 factorial, right? So this becomes this 2 factorial cancel. It is 16 into 15 upon 20 into 19. 5 4 times, 5 3 times, 4 4 times, right? Twenty factorial, okay. So this denominator becomes 95 and numerator is 16 into 15 upon 2, 8. So we got 60 upon 95. In the same way, for one good orange, very simple, it is 4C1 into 16C1. 4 are bad oranges, 16 are good oranges upon 20C2. This is the sample space. We get 32 upon 95. Same way, both are bad. So both the oranges, they come from the lot of bad oranges. So 4C2 upon 20C2. We got the value 3 upon 95. These are the probabilities of random variable x. Now we need x squared. So 0, 1 and 4. X into P of x. Children, remember, in probability distribution, to find the mean, we used to do x into f of x. Sorry, x into f. Frequency multiplied by the corresponding variable. फिर sigma fx upon capital N, we used to do that, right? The same thing here. X in place of frequency, we have probability of x. So x into P of x. 0 into 60 upon 95 is 0. 1 into 32 upon 95 is 32 upon 95. Okay. Now 2 into 3 upon 95 is 6 upon 95. Inka summation 38 upon 95. So what is mean? X bar. Sigma xi into P of xi, that is 38 upon 95. 19 goes 2 times in 38 and 19 goes 5 times in 95. 2 upon 5. This is the mean of the given probability distribution. Next, x square multiplied by P of xi. 0, 32 upon 95, 4 3s are 12, 12 upon 95. The sum turns out to be 44 upon 95. Now what is the formula for standard deviation? Standard deviation is represented by small sigma square. See children, don't get confused. This stands for capital sigma and this stands for small sigma. As you have capital S and small s in English alphabet, Same way in Greek alphabet, this is capital sigma, this is small sigma. Standard deviation represented, variance represented by small sigma square. Even 11th class statistics, remember. So variance is sigma x square p of xi minus the square of the mean. So this is 44 upon 95 minus 4 upon 25. 95 and 25 LCM taken 475. So 95 goes 5 times 5 into 440, 220. Minus 25 goes 19 times 19 into 4, 76. 220 minus 76 is 144 upon 475. This is standard deviation. Sorry, this is variance. Now what is standard deviation? Square root of variance will give you standard deviation. And children, when you have a question that is asking for standard deviation, always remember you can't just leave it here. You have to find the square root up to 2 places of decimals. So 144 divided by 475 forms the square root up to 2 places of decimal. This is our standard deviation. Most probably you may not be asked to find standard deviation. Up to variance they may ask you. Most probably they may not ask. But you have to practice it. What in case they ask? I don't say it is not in the syllabus. It is very much in the syllabus. But usually, since the calculation is a bit complicated, it may happen that standard deviation is not asked. They may ask only up to variance. But yet, you have to practice. पता नहीं हो सकता है पूछ भी ले. ऐसा नहीं कि ये syllabus में नहीं है. It is very much in the syllabus. Right, children? So this was mean variance and standard deviation of any probability distribution. Go through the questions of the exercise. There is one more topic, Bernoulli trials and binomial distribution. That is not in our syllabus. That has been removed from the syllabus. Bernoulli trials and binomial distribution हमारे syllabus में नहीं है. तो वो टॉपिक छोड़ देना NCERT की बुक में. यहाँ तक आपको करना है. सॉल्व करो. कोई डाउट्स होते हैं पूछो.